Hey guys, Leah It's Ines here. So today I'm making the most delicious choc chip cookie for you because we're all at home, so what better time to start baking than right now. All these ingredients that I'm using today you can get at Burnside Shopping Centre. So first up, we've got some room temperature butter, so we're going to pop that into a bowl, and then we have some brown sugar. So we're going to use the beater and beat it till it's like a real crumbly sort of texture. Then we have some vanilla essence that we're going to add in, and then we're going to crack 1 egg. We're going to beat that again until it's a smooth texture. So then we're going to add some baking powder in there so that they rise up and be super delicious, and then some salt, and then a little bit of cacao powder. If you don't have cacao, you can use something like Milo or something like drinking chocolate, anything like that. So we're going to mix that up until it's smooth, and then we're going to add everything else in. So now that's all mixed, have a look at the texture of what it's supposed to be like. So it's supposed to be like sort of like almost a mousse. So once the flour is mixed through, we're going to put some chocolate chips and fold them through. And then I'm going to put in some flaked almonds, folding that through, and then we are ready to make our cookie. So I'm just going to get a big spoonful of the mixture and into my hand. So these are a little bit sticky, but they'll be okay. So you roll them and then you flatten them a little bit. So these go into the oven for about 8 to 10 minutes for gooey, sort of delicious, soft cookies. If you want to leave them for a little bit longer, they go a little bit more hard, but I'm going to leave mine for 8 minutes so I get gooey cookies. Okay, so cookies are out of the oven. They are so soft and so gooey, but oh my God, they kind of like expanded more than I thought they were going to. But have a look at this. So get your bake on over this week and get the recipe from burnsidevillage.com.au.